Millions of British residents, they now have a COVID vaccine swirling through their veins.
COVID vaccinations began today in England, Wales, and Scotland. 90-year-old Margaret Keenan, there she is. She became the first person in the world to get Pfizer's version of the vaccine. The first 800,000 doses are going to people over 80 who are either hospitalized or already have outpatient appointments scheduled, along with nursing home workers.
Now, no approved vaccines yet for Americans. Today, federal health regulators posted a positive review of that vaccine. Officials with the FDA say the vaccine provided protection after the first dose. The FDA added that 2 doses of the vaccine were highly effective in preventing confirmed COVID cases. Now, on Thursday, the FDA will meet to decide whether or not the vaccine can be used here in the U.S. Well, Georgia is prepared to ship out its supply of the vaccine once it arrives.
CBS 46's Yasmina Alston live in downtown Atlanta for us. And earlier today, both Governor Kemp and Dr. Kathleen Toomey spoke about the vaccine, right, Yasmina?
Rick, good afternoon. And both Governor Kemp and Dr. Toomey say they will take that vaccine to show the people of Georgia that it's safe to take. Now, to start this process, we're looking at getting several 100,000 doses of the vaccine, but those are going to a specific group first.
As COVID cases continue rising, Georgia leaders are now working on the process of distributing vaccines. Governor Kemp saying Tuesday morning that will start with a limited number of vaccines to be distributed to the most vulnerable and those on the front lines. That means those in nursing homes and healthcare workers. But as we wait on that process to start, Kemp says you can't let your guard down.
The vaccine is on its way. Therapeutics, as we know, are getting more plentiful by the day. And I'm asking everyone to continue to hunker down and do a few simple things for the next few months. Wear your mask, wash your hands, practice social distancing.
Following ACIP guidelines, the next round of the vaccine would then go to essential workers, those who keep the state running, and those over 65 with health conditions. Dr. Kathleen Toomey says they expect to have the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine and have plans in place for proper transportation. Toomey did acknowledge concerns about the vaccine and admits the 2 doses can have side effects like mild fever or flu-like feelings. She says it will be important to keep ongoing communication.
Not only do we have to have the system in place, which we do, to track and monitor and call individuals back, but to make sure that people will be willing to come back for that second dose.
Now, the general public will not be vaccinated for several months, and many are still hesitant about taking the vaccine, which of course will be a challenge for state leaders. We'll have much more on that angle coming up at 5. Live in Atlanta, Yasmina Alston, CBS 46 News.
Yasmina, thank you.